How to invite someone to collaborate on Instagram after posting. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram, into your login credential and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now simply head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Move into any of the posts that you want to invite to collaborate. Now tap on the three dot right over here. And then you have to select Edit. At the top you can see Add Collaborators. You simply have to click on it. Now tap on Invite Collaborators. Simply search for the name of the person that you want to collaborate this post with. Once you find the username, you have to click on it. And then click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. The invitation will be sent to this person, and once they accept the invitation, the collaboration will work, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.